This video is aimed to those of you who are friends of Redemption Church, or what I affectionately refer to as the alumni of Redemption Church. That means that in a season of your past, you had meaningful participation in our church while you were in Huntington, but now God has scattered you across the globe. Not a week goes by that I don't hear from many of you letting us know that you're still listening to our sermons, occasionally checking in to worship with us online, or asking for advice or counsel or resource recommendations from a ministry that you still trust. There are literally thousands of you out there, and consider this your invitation to continue to partner with us in our most recent ministry opportunity to restore the external facade of our historic Orpheum Theater right in the middle of downtown on 4th Avenue, as well as build out 2 rooms that will be used for evangelism, discipleship, community, and equipping. As we do that, we anticipate at least 3 things to happen. First, that will give us a public face that attracts, that our city will know that we are here and be intrigued to check out what's going on with God among us, and it make it easier for our members to invite folks to our worship gatherings as well as events, and more people hear about Jesus. Second, it will give us a gathering place that equips. You know that our ministry philosophy is that our church membership are missionaries to our culture and our subculture. And so we want to grow them in the gospel, equip them, mobilize them, resource them, and send them out as they make a difference for Jesus in all of the spheres of influence in which they scatter through the week. And then finally, we want to provide a neighborhood place that revitalizes. We were on the point end of the wedge, if you remember, when we bought this space. We wanted to be a downtown church that saw itself as a key component to the revitalization of our city that we were just on the edge of starting and now is in full tilt. And we are continuing to be what the most recent Huntington Quarterly refers to as the future of 4th. It's going to cost $300,000 to make this renovation and renewal. We're already about $210,000 to the goal. And we're asking our Redemption Church alumni to help us bring it all the way home. You can see in the link below ways in which you can be a part of that. That will be a way for you to not only say thank you for the transformational impact Redemption Church has had in your walk with Christ, but allow you to help us to see that the next college student will come to Christ, that the next young marriage will have a biblical foundation for what the home is to be. That next church planter can be raised up and sent out. That next book of the Bible can be proclaimed verse by verse. So thank you ahead of time for what will be a sacrificial, generous financial gift as not only a giving back for the investment the church has made in you, but make it possible for us to continue to invest in others.